Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2016 Mitsubishi Mirage ES Hatch, stock reference number 4998. This shape runs from the 12th month 2012 and is the current shape. It has a 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. The bonnet appears to have no damage. Radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the parcel shelf. Right rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has two small dents. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.